May I come in, sir?
Come in, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
I think your name is Bansil
Yes, sir.
and your father's name would be Pankaj,
Yes.
and Korat would be your surname,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. So briefly introduce yourself to the board, please.
Sir, my name is Bansil Korat. I come from Ahmedabad in 𝐂𝐤𝐻 district of Gujarat. I have done my BTech in Civil Engineering from Nirma University in 2023. Since I have been preparing for engineering service examination, and my hobbies include watching cricket and watching movies. My final year project was on safety analysis using surrogate safety measures at unsignalized intersection.
Okay, very good. Sir.
So, tell me something about your BTech project. What
Sir,
all you have done?
Sir, it was in the field of transportation engineering. It was safety analysis on surrogate safety measure at unsignalized intersection. So,
Which section?
at unsignalized intersection. So, sir, I need to explain.
हाँ बताइए
Yes.
ना क्या किया आपने?
Sir, basically, we have performed 3 parameters. Like we have first done the safety analysis. So it's basically the analysis of the accident prone areas in which we have considered intersection as a accident prone area. Secondly, we have focused on surrogate safety measures, which are the measures which will predict the likelihood of accident before it can occur. Like on intersection, we have 3 main actions: swerving, evasive, and jerk. So our main focus was to evaluate these 3 coefficients. And third is we have performed at unsignalized intersection because the chances of accidents are likely to be at more in unsignalized intersection. So this was our main.
So have you done traffic studies yourself, or you have taken a data randomly generated through simulation?
Sir,
आप डेटा
first,
कैसे मिला आपको?
yes, sir. Sir, first we have started in January 2023. So first we have selected the 3 intersection, like which were 𝐂𝐤𝐻𝐿, then we have 𝐷 intersection. So what we have done, we have gone to the terrace, and then we have done the videographic photography using the camera for around 2 to 3 hours continuously. And then we have fed that data of the intersection into a software called 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐞. And based on that, we will get the dynamic characteristics of all the vehicles. And then we have evaluate the parameters. So,
It was a real time
yes, sir.
program, but I know that roads are very good there. In 𝐂𝐻𝐻 to all this Gandhinagar area, their roads are very good.
Sir, basically our intention was, suppose if the government want to install the rotary or the traffic signals. So usually the government have
Want to install what?
funds. Sir, suppose if they want to install the traffic signs or the rotary intersection, but we are lacking the funds in our country. So our main intention was to give the various unsignalized intersection coefficient. Like these are the highly prone area. So you should start evaluating based on that intersection. So based on the priority, they can install that traffic signs and the intersection of the rotary.
Okay. ठीक है. So you are not working.
No, sir.
So why Gujarat में तो lot of works, infrastructures are going on. You didn't try anywhere.
Sir, my main intention was to clear this examination. So I have not applied for any other.
So tell me why there was a fall of Nirma soap.
Sir, basically Nirma, since 1980 it was in boom. But in recent trend, they have not modernized their core strategy. Like they have just have the focus on the Nirma soaps, but they have not tried to modernize it. So people would prefer the better modernization at the same cost. So Nirma have lack in that sector.
So it doesn't have any market preferences.
Yes, sir.
People are not buying. So tell me something about Somnath temple, Viraval and Somnath.
Sir, Somnath temple is located on the western coast of the Gujarat. So it's dedicated for the Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able
Lord
to.
Shiva.
Yes, sir, Shiva, but sir, I'm not able to recall the history of that. I'm not able to recall it.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Everything is known to everyone. ठीक है, tell me, how do you analyze a structure?
Sir, structure can be analyzed on the basis of two methods if we have indeterminate. We can have force method and then we can have displacement method. In force method, we have different method, like we have consistent deformation method, slope deflection method, and if we have high degree of deformations like slopes and deflection, so we can use the displacement method, which is slope deflection method, and we have moment distribution method.
चलो.
બંસલ ભાઈ કેમ છો?
Sir, મજામાં.
કેમ છો?
કેશોદ.
Yes.
You are born in Keshod, right? Who is from Keshod? Some eminent person.
Sir, I am not able to recall, but sir, I remember the. Sir, I'm not able to recall his name, but his last name was Sir Mehta. He was from Junagadh. So he have done, sir. He was basically known for its worship for the Lord Krishna. But
Narsi Mehta.
Yes, sir, Narsi Mehta. But I am not able to recall from the Keshod. Sorry, sir.
What about Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani?
Sir, he was from yes, sir. He was from Junagadh district.
Keshod.
Sorry, sir. Then I need to recall, but I think he was from. I'm not able to recall, but he was, sir, from nearby of Junagadh district, and it's near to the Bhesan. But I don't think he was from properly from the Keshod. So yes, sir.
Junagadh belonged to which dynasty of Pakistan? Very famous group of Pakistan belongs to Junagadh.
Nawab, sir.
हाँ, बट नवाब एक डायनेस्टी होती है ना.
Sir, I'm not able to recall. Sorry, sir. I don't know the dynasty, but I can recall some of the history. Like, sir, the Nawab of the Junagadh flown from the Keshod airport to the Pakistan at the time of annexation, when Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel have marginalized the Junagadh into the Gujarat. So he flown from the he fled from the Keshod airport only. So these are the two important significant moments I could remember right now.
બંસલ ભાઈ, રિવરફ્રન્ટ છે અમદાવાદમાં?
Yes.
બતાવો.
Sir, riverfront it's a part of Ahmedabad project only. It's good for walking early in the morning, and secondly, it will also provide the safety against the flood. Like it will prevent the erosion of the bank, and it will let the Sabarmati river away from the bank. So, sir, I could remember till this only.
That much only.
Sir, I am actually not aware detail about it.
Previously there was no water in Sabarmati river. Now there is a water in Sabarmati river. Suddenly, how come this water has come from?
Sir, from the construction of the Sardar Sarovar Dam.
It was previously also. Sardar Sarovar Dam is in the past, and this is recent past.
Sir, sorry, sir. Then I'm not able to. Sorry, sir.
No issues. Tell me, what is a datum?
Sir, datum is the known point of already what we know. Datum is the point of the known elevation from which we can begin our further surveying. Like we have already known its elevation with respect to, for example, we have Arabian Sea in our India, from where we measure the other locations. So datum is the known place of elevation.
Then what is benchmark?
Okay, sir. I think mixed down the facts. Sir, benchmark is the already point of known elevation. Sorry, sir. datum is taken as a reference for determining the other location. Sorry, sir. It's my mistake.
So what is datum for our country?
Sir, means reference. Sir, we have Arabian Sea. From where we...
Arabian Sea is huge.
Yes, sir.
Where in Arabian Sea? Any point on the Arabian Sea?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. That I am not able to... That I don't know, sir. Sir, it can be near the vicinity of the Mumbai. But exact location I am not
It's the
aware.
Bombay High.
Yes, sir.
Previous independence, it was at which place?
Sir, Karachi.
Then why it was changed?
Sir, because we have now India as an independent country and
Still, Arabian Sea is same.
sir, for us it's sir, sorry, sir. I don't know. I don't want to guess, so I can't take the... Sorry.
What are national waterways?
Sir, national waterways are the similar like what we have national highways. So that will be the national waterways. Like we have Ganga. Ganga is a national waterway. And Yamuna, I think Yamuna also I am able to recall, but...
So, from Gangotri to this Hubli is a national waterway, entire. And from Yamunotri to Allahabad is another national highway, a national waterway.
Sir, I am not sure regarding it.
What is average annual rainfall?
Sir, average annual rainfall is the average of the last 10-year rainfall. Last 10 year or the... Sir, I am confusing with the 30 years or the 10 years. But it's average rainfall for the...
30 years.
Yes, sir, 30 years. Sorry, sir. 30 years for the... We can take it as a reference for the measurement of whether this year rainfall was a good, moderate, or it was above average.
Why 30 only?
Sir, 30, I don't know the logic regarding the 30.
Last question. What is double mass curve?
So double mass curve is basically used for the checking of the consistency of our hydrological sites, like whether we will plot the... Sir, it's sorry, sir. It's sir used for the designing the storage capacity of any reservoir. Like we will plot the data of rainfall on both the axes, y-axis and x-axis, and based on that we can get the reservoir capacity of our any site.
Sir.
Okay, Bansil. So you have done your project on the traffic. Tell me, recently there has been a lot of news about automatic drives in the vehicle. What are your views on this drive? Whether this is better than the human drive or it is not so good?
Sir, I would say it depends on the situation. For example, if the situation is critical, for example, if somebody is going in rush in case of the hospital, so I think it will be good because there will be a chances of the human error in case of that. So we can use that automatic driving. But in case of daily drive, I think human will be a better case of...
So you mean to say that AI performs better in stressed conditions or where there is huge traffic?
Yes.
But it does not perform on the normal roads?
Sir, based on my preference, if... sir, basically in stress condition, our human reaction time will increase. So there can be a chances of the error. But in case of the normal routine, we can able easily to perform our day-to-day driving. So I
feel that most of the accidents or fatal accident happens on the highways where humans drive at very high speeds and all of a sudden something comes up. So don't you think AI would perform better in those conditions?
Sir, I would suggest it, but sir, in over dependence on AI will again be back foot for us, because instead of
So you mean to say
Is it not fear of the unknown?
sir, fear of unknown.
The unknown, कोई चीज़ आपने ट्राई नहीं की है इसलिए आप उससे डरते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Because reaction time will be in milliseconds or microseconds
Yes, sir.
in the case of AI. Please carry on.
yeah. So when we launch the satellites or human missions, do you think that is not fully automatic?
Yes, sir. That's
Why that is fully automatic, where the reaction times are like?
sir, there we can't take the risk, because if it will lead to the failure, so large funds can get wasted. So I think AI will perform better in case of launching of the projects.
Okay. Tell me, you were talking about something installing on the dividers, the trees.
No, sir. It was basically the rotary intersection.
Acha, you meant to say rotary infection. Acha,
Rotary intersections.
Acha, okay. So tell me why the trees are installed on the dividers.
Sir, we have sir, to reduce the glare from the opposite vehicle, and we can also channelize the traffic in different direction. And secondly, as the vehicle emit the gases, so tree will absorb it, and they will give the fresh air to us.
Okay. Can you suggest any better mechanism to reduce the glare?
Sir, use of the flexible payments, because in case of the rigid payment, we can have more glare in case of the daylight. But in case of the flexible payment, it will have the better contrast in all over the day.
Okay. Why are cambers provided on the roads?
Sir, the basic purpose of the camber is to drain the surface water as soon as it comes. So the main purpose of the camber is to provide the...
What are the general limits of camber in a normal, let's say, expressway?
Sir, in expressway, for the heavy rainfall, it will be 1.7%. And in case of low rainfall, it will be 2%.
Okay. Let's talk about something strength of material. We use the shafts. So they are always made up of circular sections. Why?
Sir, the main purpose of the shaft is to transfer the power. So in case of the power, we have torque. And in torque, the circular will perform the better function in case of the other cross sections, instead of square or rectangular.
Okay. So most of the time we see that the shafts are always hollow.
Yes.
Not the solid ones. Why?
Sir, because the torsional stiffness of the hollow is better comparison to the solid section. And
So let's say I have a shaft, or I have to design a shaft whose outer diameter is same.
yes.
Let's say 10 centimeter. Which one would perform better, a hollow shaft or a solid shaft?
So diameter is same in both the cases. Sir, then also I would say the hollow will perform the better only, because in case of, sir, if we apply the same torque, so the angular rotation of the solid will be more comparison to the...
What is the moment of inertia of a hollow shaft? Polar moment of inertia.
Sir, pi d raised to 4 by 32.
Hollow shaft.
Okay, hollow shaft, sorry. Sir, pi d outer diameter raised to whole 4 minus smaller dia raised to 4 divided by 32 divided by 64 divided by outer diameter by 2. So...
And what will be it for a solid shaft?
Sir, polar. Pi outer diameter whole raised to 4 divided by 32.
So which one is more?
Sir, solid.
So then which one will perform better?
Solid.
Why?
Sir, because the polar moment inertia of solid will be better.
Then why we say that the hollow performs better as compared to solid?
Sir, because we need to consider the torque divided by, the theta, that is the torsional stiffness. Overall, sir, it will be better for the hollow shaft.
Is it?
Yes, sir, it's around.
Just now you said it is more for solid.
Sir, then I'm over mixing the, I think, things. Sorry,
Okay.
sir.
Again, coming to the same line of thinking, we use I sections in beams, but columns we don't use I sections. Why?
Sir, in case of the beam, the main focus is to, beam are mostly subjected to the bending stresses. So bending stresses are more at the outer face. So the most resistance will be made by the flanges. Whereas in case of the column, we have the main load as compression. So I think the main load is concentrated in the between. So we will use mostly the circular section as it would have.
Okay. So,
Okay. Can you tell me what are isobars, isotherms, and isohyets?
Sir, isobars are the point on which we have equal pressure.
Where would I see these isobar, isotherm?
Sir, in case of the hydrometeorological maps.
Yes. Very good. Now you tell me.
Sir, then second was, sir, isohyet. Sir, isohyet is the line at which the equal magnitude of the rainfall will be there.
Very good.
And sir, third, can you say?
Isotherm, isobar, isohyet.
Sir, isotherms are the point at which we have equal magnitude of the sunshine. I think sunshine or, sir, I'm not able to. Therm, yes, sir. Therm, it's related to the temperature.
Obviously.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's such a simple thing. Acha, tell me, from the civil engineering perspective, you know that Surat once had a massive problem of plague long back, 25-ish, 30 years back, more like 30, 35 years back. Plague. Because Surat's infrastructure, especially sewerage, etc., was so bad that rats were infesting every place. And then all of a sudden, in 2-3 years, the municipal corporation worked so well, and Surat became completely free, not just from plague, but from a lot of other diseases also. So what changed Surat? What were the civil engineering modifications done? Let's leave the municipal corporation's task aside. Let's focus on the civil engineering part.
Sir, the plague occurred in 1994, and it was a massive that caused the severe casualties. So, sir, it was the administrator Rao, sir, who transformed the Surat.
Yeah, I understand. So what was done essentially from the civil engineering side?
Sir, basic, they have just sir, they have segregated the waste, like they have divided the waste into solid, liquid, and wet. So that would just segregate the waste portion. And secondly, sir, they have increased the sanitation problems. Like the Surat administration has focused more on using of the DDTs, where there can be a chance of this.
You're telling me all these are administrative and municipal functions. Was there any civil engineering part put there? Anything was retrofitted or changed?
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't know regarding that. So I can't.
Because you gave some precise detail about Rao and etc. I thought you might be knowing. So tell me, Surat became a very clean city. Indore and Bhopal are almost constantly on the top. Number 1 kabhi wo ho jata hai, number 2 ye ho jata hai in Swachhata, right? Why is it that the same level of Swachhata can't be there in the entire Delhi?
Sir, I would say it's a mindset of the people.
Thank you.
So
I thought, it's a very good answer. It's a very frank answer, because people usually try to dance around it. It will sound impolite, but that's the fact.
yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me one more thing. There's some Aloha festival which you attended.
Sir, actually, sir, Aloha is a arithmetic learning on higher advanced mathematics. So, sir, it's basically the brain development program. The
I
age
got
group
that.
of
So what does otherwise Aloha mean?
Sir, Aloha is a Hawaiian word. It
Very good.
basically means hello.
Very good. Thank you. End of your interview.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have anything to ask?
No, sir.
I have to make one suggestion. Who told you to put your fingers like this on your knees?
Sir, I have seen, sir, the previous.
No. Forget about all that. Just firstly, आप बिल्कुल कड़क होके बैठिए. You seem to be slouching.
No, sir, I was comfortable.
I know you are comfortable. Just listen to us. Sit straight. Yeah, this is better.
Okay.
बिल्कुल अपना स्पाइन को आराम दीजिए
Yes.
और आराम से अपने हैंड्स
Okay.
लैप में रखिए. हाँ बिल्कुल रखिए. एंड यूज देम. दैट इज द रियल पॉइंट. ये आपका सबकॉन्शियस एनर्जी लीक होके इसमें जा रहा है. आपकी अर्थिंग हो रही है. A lot of the current of your body is getting leaked. I want all that energy to come in your answers. आधा टाइम आपका ये सोचने में लग रहा है मेरा हाथ हिल तो नहीं रहा है. Use your hands as naturally as you feel like. Secondly, you are only looking at the person who is asking the question. You're supposed to look at everybody because one man may be asking the question, but you are telling the entire board. Got it? Otherwise, I think you're done. When is your interview?
Sir, 31st of October.
Good. 31st October का significance पढ़ लीजिएगा.
No. सरदार पटेल जयंती.
Yeah. Whatever it is.
सबको एंगेज रखो. आप केवल अपने में रहे. ठीक है. जो पूछ रहे हैं भाई नंबर सबको देने हैं. ठीक है. और यार केशोद के बारे में पढ़ो. भुट्टोस
Bhuttos from there, yeah.
Bhuttos?
हाँ, बेनज़ीर भुट्टो सबका नाम सुना है. जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो.
बेनज़ीर भुट्टो.
सर मैंने पूछा तो नहीं है. मतलब
These were दीवान्स ऑफ जूनागढ़.
दीवान्स. यस सर.
निज़ाम कोई और थे, बट भुट्टोज ओरिजिनली जूनागढ़ के थे और ये भी माइग्रेट हुए थे निज़ाम के साथ.
So they are not Sindhis originally as they keep saying.
Yes.
They are Gujus.
समझ रहे हो. तो ये सब पढ़ो, पूछ सकते हैं और बड़ा. ठीक है. और आपके जहाँ तक मेरी नॉलेज का सवाल है, मुझे यही पता है कि धीरूभाई अंबानी केशोद से थे.
नो सर, ही वाज नॉट फ्रॉम केशोद.
शायद, मतलब ठीक है, मे बी रॉन्ग, मतलब ऐसा नहीं, बट पता कर लो. ठीक है. वेरावल, सोमनाथ, मोहम्मद गौरी.
यस सर, मोहम्मद सर.
14 या 17 बार इन्वेड किया था.
यस.
ठीक है. तो ये बेसिक चीजें हैं, पता करो. ठीक है. रिवर फ्रंट, भाई रिवर फ्रंट चल रहा है कि अब लगभग अहमदाबाद का मॉडल है. ट्रंप साहब गए वहाँ, मोदी साहब ट्रंप साहब को लेके गए. ठीक है. तो अब ये चल रहा है कि हर जगह रिवर फ्रंट बनाना है. तो उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करो और वो पुटअप करना है. पूछा जा सकता है. दिल्ली में भी चल रहा है यमुना पे. यमुना को पहले क्लीन करेंगे और फिर यमुना पे रिवर फ्रंट बनाना है. मॉडल कौन सा है? अहमदाबाद का. पीएम साहब वहीं से ही आते ओरिजिनली. तो ये एक बहुत वो है. आपकी पढ़ाई निर्मा में हुई है अहमदाबाद से, तो उसके बारे में पॉइंट्स गैदर करो बस.
So Bansil.
Yes.
I have little Bansil.
Sir, Bansil.
Bansil. Okay. So first I would come on your positive things. So आपका positive was you had good gestures. आप थोड़ा टाइम ले रहे थे, थोड़ा सा सोच के बोल रहे थे. So that is good thing about you. But in the starting you started smiling. मतलब आप थोड़ा थोड़ा स्माइल कर रहे थे, बट बाद में you were like बंद कर दिया. You have to use that smile. It gives a good look. ठीक है. So जैसे सर लोगों ने ऑलरेडी बोला, like you have to engage everyone. So वो आपको करना है. Then there are few things which I noticed while your interview. जब आप प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे थे तो you were explaining a lot, but समझ में मेरे को कुछ नहीं आ रहा था. So your word should be chosen properly. कि क्या बताना है क्या नहीं बताना है. ठीक है, आपने बीच बीच में बहुत सारे फिलर्स यूज़ किए, लाइक यू स्टार्टेड योर प्रोजेक्ट इन जनवरी. तो आई स्टार्टेड इन जनवरी, इसका कोई सेंस नहीं था, बिकॉज ये इट इज़ लाइक अ फिलर. आपने उसके बाद में मॉडल्स आपने लिया कि हमने डेटा लिया एंड वी फेड इट टू वन ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर्स जिसका आपने नाम बताया. आई होप नोबडी इन द बोर्ड वुड रिमेंबर नो दैट सॉफ्टवेयर एज वेल. ये यूज़ करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. फिल इट विद कंटेंट. आप बताओ कि सर वी एनालाइज्ड फॉर 3 to 4 hours एवरी डे, ट्रैफिक को एनालाइज किया, वी फेड दिस डेटा इनटू अ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ने हमें क्या आउटपुट दिया. यू स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट कोफिशिएंट्स. उन कोफिशिएंट का क्या रेलेवेंस है, बिकॉज इट्स योर मॉडल, यू नो इट. नन ऑफ अस वुड हैव एक्चुअली सीन दैट मॉडल एनीवेयर. सो यू हैव टू मेक इट वेरी लाइक एक लेमैन को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है वैसे आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. ओके, so this you have to use very correctly. Then you have to revise your technical knowledge a bit. ठीक है, आप अंकित सर के क्वेश्चंस जो थे उनको आंसर्स दे रहे थे, बट यू वर नॉट एबल टू रीफ्रेम योर क्वेश्चंस. तो कभी भी आपको अगर लगता है कि मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, टेक ए पॉज ऑफ 5 seconds, फ्रेम योर आंसर प्रॉपरली एंड देन रिप्लाई. दैट वुड बी मच बेटर. ठीक है, आप सोच रहे थे, अच्छा सोच रहे थे, मैं आपको क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस कर रहा था, बट अगेन आपने होलो शाफ्ट वर्सेस सॉलिड शाफ्ट में आपने दिमाग नहीं लगाया. ये डाउट जो होता है एग्जाम में आता है कि हाँ यार अगर आउटर डाया सेम रहा तो दिमाग कहता है कि सॉलिड ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, बट पढ़ा हुआ तो आपने यही हमेशा से कि होलो ज़्यादा बेटर होता है. तो ये यूज़ करना, होलो ज़्यादा बेटर इसलिए होता है बिकॉज वी कंपेयर द वेट, पर यूनिट वेट हम बात करते हैं टॉर्शन की. सो दिस यू हैव टू थिंक. Otherwise, you are a very good candidate. The way of answering is really good. ठीक है, I would request that you revise a bit on the technical knowledge and general जो issues हैं which we have highlighted, you should read. I think you will score very good. We see a lot of potential in you. Okay?
Thank you.
Sir.
I just wanted to ये मैंने लिखा भी है. You see the reason why you should pause. You went into a silence, long silence. Firstly, it's a good thing that you think of your answer before speaking, but invariably take the permission of the member. Sir, may I take a few seconds? हमें क्या मालूम तुमको क्या हो गया, एकदम silent हो गए. So you say, may I take a few seconds? Then why you should think your answer before speaking, you will be able to remove unnecessary garbage. सारा डिटेल देने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. और आपको जो बोलना है, अगर 3 मिनट बोलना है उसको आपको समराइज करके 20 सेकंड में बोलना है, तो आपको 2.5 मिनट का तो सामान निकालना पड़ेगा ना, एक्सेस बैगेज. और सिर्फ उतना बोलिए जितना कि क्वेश्चन से रिलेवेंट है. इधर उधर का बात देने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज अननेसेसरली यू विल गिव सम सेंटेंस विच विल बिकम अ ट्रैप. अगला सेंटेंस अगला क्वेश्चन उस पर आ जाएगा. गेट इट? So measure your words and measure your thoughts before speaking. That's all we are saying.
Sir, I would like
and you
to
should
add,
smile much more. But
I would like to add just
please,
a small.
please.
You spoke a sentence like, "Sir, I don't want to guess." Up instead, you can give a guess. You can say,
that,
"Sir,
sir, with your permission,
with your
may
permission, may I take a guess?"
I'm not sure, but with your permission, can I take a guess? It's better.
आप तो शेल में चले गए. It shows that you are using your mind.
तो तैयारी कर लो वैसे बढ़िया. मेरे हिसाब से तो ठीक है. आप यू आर मूविंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन.
Yes.
ठीक है ना. थोड़ा रिफर्बिश और करो इसको. एंड
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir, may I leave?
Yes, please.
Thank
Carry
you,
on.
sir. Have a good day, sir.
Best of luck.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
I like that.